Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about the sun appears oval or flat-ended at sunrise and sunset but appears circular at noon. This is the concept. Now why the sun is appears as oval, that means like as egg shape at sunrise and sunset, but the same sun but the same sun appears circle at afternoon. What is the reason? These are the points we are going to discuss in this video. Now go for the point number 1. The rays of light, the rays of light, the rays of light from the upper part of the from the upper part from the upper part and lower part upper part and lower part of the periphery of the periphery of the of the of the sun behind of the sun bend unequally bend unequally on traveling through on traveling on traveling through on traveling through earth atmosphere earth atmosphere earth atmosphere. Next point, the sun appears the sun appears oval or flat-ended oval or flat-ended at the time of sunrise and sunset Once again I would like to repeat this point. The rays of light from the upper part and lower part of the periphery of the sun bend unequally on traveling through earth atmosphere. This is the point number 1. Now point number 2. The sun appears oval or flat-ended at the time of sunrise and sunset. Now point number 3. At afternoon at noon, the sun is overhead. The sun is overhead. That means the rays of light, from the sun, the rays of light from the sun enter earth atmosphere. Normally. Earth atmosphere normally. Therefore, they suffers. They suffer no refraction. Important. No refraction. Or bending. On passing through. Earth. Atmosphere. Hence the sun. Appears circular. At noon. Once again, I would like to repeat the 3 points. At noon or at afternoon, the sun is overhead. That means exactly vertically on the head of the earth. The rays of the light from the sun enter into the earth atmosphere normally. Normally means perpendicular. Therefore, they suffers no refraction. That means the light not suffers no refraction. We already know this is a surface of separation. This is the normal. Now light enters in this direction. At the same time reflect in this direction. Therefore angle I is equal angle R is equal 0 degrees. These rules we know. That means if the sun is here, this is the earth. The light enters like this. Therefore no refraction. Or bending or no bending or bending on passing through earth atmosphere. That means, therefore, hence, the sun appears circular at noon. That is why, if the sun is on the afternoon, appears like as a circular. Okay, this is the reason for that one. Now, our next concept is stars twinkle, but planets do not. Why? What is the reason? Now, go for explanation point by point. Point number one. Each arrow indicate point number one. Think like that. Point number one. The stars twinkle. The stars twinkle at night. The stars twinkle at night because 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 the star because the star because the star light because of the star light because the starlight reaching reaching our eyes our eyes our eyes increases increases and decreases decreases continuously 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 due to atmospheric refraction. Once again I am repeating this point, my dear students. The stars twinkle at night because the starlight reaching our eye increases and decreases continuously due to atmospheric refraction. This is point number one. Now, point number two. Different layers of different layers of the atmosphere different layers of the atmosphere different layers of atmosphere are mobile. That means we know that number of atmospheres are there: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, the ionosphere, thermosphere. This will be mobile. That means increasing or decreasing. Mobile. The temperature the temperature the temperature and density or optical density or optical density of layers layers of atmosphere of atmosphere changes continuously changes continuously. Once again, the temperature and density of layers of the atmosphere changes continuously. Next, therefore, position of therefore position of the star and position of the star and light from the star reaching our eyes reaching our eyes reaching our eyes both reaching our eyes both change continuously. Once again I am repeating, position of the star and light from the star reaching our eyes both change continuously. This leads to twinkle leads to twinkling of stars. Now about the planets appear bigger than the stars planets appears bigger than the stars. Yes, planets are close to Earth. Compared to the earth compared to the compared to the stars. Stars. What is this point? Planets appears bigger than the stars. Yes, planets are close to the earth compared to the stars. Now, a planet can be considered a planet. A planet can be considered to be made up to be made up to be made up of a number of point sources. Number of point sources of light. Once again I am repeating this point. A planet can be considered to be made up of a number of point sources of light. Next point. Due to atmospheric refraction, when due to atmospheric refraction some of the point sources look bigger or brighter. Brighter. Other appear dimmer. Once again I am repeating this point. Due to atmospheric refraction, some of the point sources look brighter, other appear dimmer. Therefore, overall brightness of a planet remains the same way, always. Once again I am repeating this point. Therefore, overall brightness of a planet remains the same always. What is the meaning for that one? Due to atmospheric refraction, some of the point sources look brighter and other points are appear dimmer. This will be happen overall always forever. Okay, now therefore, hence hence planets, hence the planets, hence the planets do not, hence the planets do not appear, appear, do not appear to twinkle. So, this is the reason, this is why planets do not appear to twinkle. So, tell me, what are the concepts we understood from this video? In this video, we understood two important points. What is that one? Why sun is oval and why sun is circle? It is yet known. It is yet known. And it is morning. It is morning and evening. Evening. At the same time, now take a star, take a planet. It is a star. It is a planet. Planet. Why it is twinkle? Why it is twinkle? Why it is not twinkle? Not twinkle. These are the 4 points we discuss in this video. Okay. Now, however, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Thank you.